As a litigation attorney, I sat across the table from millionaires for 2 decades. Not one of them made their money taking surveys or posting affiliate links, but they were all making money online, quietly in ways that never show up on these lists. So I built the real list. 7 methods ranked by what actually builds wealth: assets you can sell, income that does not need you, and tax treatment the IRS practically rewards. Number 7 is where everyone starts. Number 1 is where the rich never leave. Before we start counting down, you need the test I used. Rich people ask 2 questions before they touch anything online. Can I sell this thing later? And does it pay me while I sleep? That is it. Run every side hustle you have ever heard of through those 2 filters, and most of them fail on the spot. Where methods tied, I ranked by how fast they pay, what it costs to get in, and how the IRS treats the money. Keep those 2 questions in your head. You will see why the popular stuff sits at the bottom. Number 7, affiliate marketing and licensing income. This is the one everybody promotes, and there is a reason for that. It is the easiest to start. No product, no inventory, no customer service. You recommend something, someone buys it, you get a cut. So why is it dead last? Run the test. Can you sell it later? Not really. You do not own the product, the platform, or the customer. Amazon changed its affiliate commission rates overnight a few years back, and entire 6-figure businesses got cut in half before lunch. And a quick legal note, most gurus skip. The FTC requires you to clearly disclose affiliate relationships, every link, every time. People have been fined for hiding it. Affiliate income is a nice layer on top of a real asset. It is just not the asset itself. Number 6, selling AI automation services to businesses. This is the fastest cash on the entire list. Local businesses are drowning in repetitive work, and most owners have no idea what AI can already do for them. Set up a chatbot, automate their follow-up emails, build a booking system. They will happily pay a few $1,000s for something that takes you a weekend. So why is it not ranked higher? Because until you productize it, you are selling hours, your hours. The moment you stop working, the money stops. It fails question 2. It is a phenomenal on-ramp though. Cash from services, then roll it into the methods higher on this list. I made a whole video breaking down the 20 best businesses to sell these services to. Watch it next. Number 5, content websites and digital real estate. Here is one most people don't realize. Websites are bought and sold every day like rental properties. A site earning $2,000 a month in ad and affiliate revenue can sell for 30 to 40 times its monthly profit. That is a real asset. It passes question 1, so why only number 5? Because the model got riskier. AI search results are eating clicks that used to go to these sites. Traffic that was steady in 2022 is not guaranteed now. Wealthy buyers still play here, but they buy sites with email lists and direct traffic. Things an algorithm cannot take away. If you go this route, buy diversification, not just rankings. Number 4, faceless YouTube channels. YouTube automation gets close to 3 million searches every month. It is the most searched method on this entire list. Here is why it earns the spot. A channel is a media asset. It compounds and it can be sold. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate income, all layered on one asset you control. And yes, you are watching one right now. This channel has no face on camera, and it is a real business. Now the honest part. Most channels fail. Not because the model is broken, but because people quit at video number 9. The rich treat channels like a portfolio. Some win, some don't. The winners pay for everything. If you have patience and no capital, this might be your best starting point on the whole list. Before we get to the top 3, Laws for Wealth channel wants to thank SaneBox for sponsoring this video. Look, you probably already know how overwhelming and out-of-control inbox feels with all the emails we get daily. SaneBox fixes that and lets you train your inbox to sort emails, saving you valuable time each day. It's an AI-powered email management tool that learns which emails actually matter to you and quietly moves everything else out of your way, so your inbox only shows you what needs your attention. No more digging through promotional noise to find the one message you actually needed. SaneBox works with whatever email you already use: Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, and it sets up in minutes. There is a link in the description to SaneBox, who is offering our viewers a free trial, so you can see for yourself before spending a cent. Now, let's get back to it. All right, number 3, digital products. Courses, templates, guides, spreadsheets. You build it once and sell it forever. This is the best risk-adjusted play on the list for someone starting without capital. Margins run close to 100%. There is nothing to ship and nothing to stock. And here is what most people miss. Your product library itself becomes a sellable asset. Whole businesses get acquired just for their course catalogs. Quick tax note: this is ordinary income, so it does not get the sweetheart treatment some other methods on this list do. But near zero cost of goods and infinite scale make up for a lot. The catch? First dollar comes slow. You are building trust before you are building revenue. That is why it is number 3 and not number 1. Number 2, and I would bet money you have never seen this one on a list like this. Private lending. Wealthy people lend money to online entrepreneurs and e-commerce operators who need capital fast and cannot wait 6 weeks for a bank. 12 to 15% returns, secured by the business assets paid monthly. It is about as passive as money gets. It passes question 2 effortlessly. Now the lawyer in me has to say this part. The paperwork is everything. A real promissory note, a security agreement, and check your state's usury laws because interest rate caps vary and violating them can void your entire loan. Done right, this is how money makes money while you sleep. The only reason it is not number 1, your returns are capped. You get your interest and that is it. No equity, no upside. Number 1 fixes that. And that brings us to number 1. Buying an existing online business, not building. Buying. This is the single biggest difference between how regular people and rich people approach money online. Beginners start from zero. Wealthy people buy something already working. Think about what you skip. No product development, no audience building, no praying for traction. The business has customers and cash flow on day 1. You just have to not break it. And the tax treatment is genuinely favorable. You can amortize what you paid for the business over time, and when you sell it later, that is capital gains, not ordinary income. The IRS literally rewards this behavior. Now I know what you were thinking. Does this not take money? Less than you would assume. Small online businesses sell for 2 to 4 times annual profit, and seller financing is common. The business itself often pays off the purchase. And if you are starting from $0, I made a video on exactly that. The 4-step ladder system. The card is on the screen. This is how wealth actually compounds online. You buy cash flow, improve it, and either keep it or sell it for more than you paid. So there is the list. And notice what happened. Everything the internet tells beginners to do landed at the bottom, and the methods the wealthy actually use are the ones nobody makes videos about. 2 questions. Can you sell it later, and does it pay you while you sleep? Ask those before you touch anything online, and you are already thinking like the people I spent 20 years across the table from. If this helped, subscribe. This channel exists to show you the strategies wealthy people already know. Now, before you go. Number 1 on this list, buying a boring business that already works, goes way deeper than I could cover here. There is a specific playbook for finding these businesses, adding AI, and watching the margins explode. Owners are retiring in record numbers and practically handing these companies over. I break down the entire strategy in the next video. Click right here. I'll see you there.